All right, we're in Santa Cruz right now, and there's the coolest story behind this right here. This is about 1,000 cell phone cases. For that story, meet Ethan Estess.
There's about essentially a garbage truck's worth of plastic dumped in the ocean every minute. My name's Ethan Estess. I'm an ocean artist and marine scientist. This is my workshop in Santa Cruz, my hometown. I stockpile tons of old fishing gear that I use to make artwork. Yeah, this stuff's pretty. I keep a lot of junk around. All of this is full. You know, some of it's stained by its life at sea. This came off a beach in Malibu. My specialty stuff right here. This nice lady in Florida sent me this cool net. Every one of these ropes has a story. It's abundant. A lot of the plastic is in the ocean comes from commercial fisheries. They lose gear, they illegally dump it at sea, and it's a pretty big problem because it's also the most dangerous form of plastic pollution. So I got to a point in my career where people just started emailing me like, hey, I've got a bunch of trash, do you want it? And I'm like, what do you got? An interesting position to be in. People start sending me their trash via FedEx. I got an email a couple years ago from a young lady. She had collected 50,000 golf balls out of the water near her home in Pebble Beach. 50,000. When they roll around on the seafloor, they crack open, and they have all kinds of weird proprietary heavy metals and rubbers in there that are potentially quite nasty for marine life. And so we drilled holes in 20,000 of them, strung them up onto stainless steel rods. I welded a giant metal wave. It was about 3,000 pounds of golf balls. Even one individual, if they get people to pay attention, can kind of change policy. And a giant corporation like the Pebble Beach Company pretty much, listened and adjusted their activities. I'm definitely lucky to have a good number of people supporting my work. First name that comes to mind would be Jack and Kim Johnson. They've been super supportive. They have a variety of different nonprofits. One's called the Kokua Hawaii Foundation. That's focused on youth education around plastic pollution and also sustainable agriculture. I made this sculpture out of about 1,000 plastic phone cases. We make all these little widgets to go with our new phones, and then in 2 years they're obsolete. The art can be a mechanism for bringing a coalition together, is one thing I've learned. I want people to internalize just how big of an issue we're in, that we're producing more plastic today than we were yesterday. It's just only increasing. I'm going to keep going, and I'm excited to see what I come up with in the next few years. Yeah.